Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So if we are making a 3D object, we have to remember every object has a light, shadow, darkest part and lightest part and highlight. So let's assume that this is our sun or our light. This is most darkest part, lightest and highlight. So let's make a circle and highlight. Start shading it more to less pressure with the help of 2B pencil. Then blend it with a dry brush. After that, start making a second layer and blend it with a dry brush. After that, grab the 4B pencil and shade the darker parts for more realistic and 3D look. With the help of B pencil, we are making a shadow and blend it with the dry brush. Then use a 2B pencil for more darkening of the shadow. So we have completed this tutorial. Make sure you have subscribed my channel and follow me on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. Till the next video. Bye.